To pre-engineer pattern pieces for automatic cutting, select a piece, then go to Piece, Cutting Order, or use keyboard shortcut Ctrl-J. This is useful if you have a piece with special design features that may need to be cut in a certain way for the best quality. This tool is also available in TUKAmark. The Cut Order dialog has a preview window showing the cut paths that will be programmed into the automatic cutting machine for this piece. This piece has 2 paths. In the Path section, use the arrows to select the active path, which turns red. Each path has a start point, indicated by a square, and an end point, indicated by an arrow. To change the direction of the cut path, tick on or off the clockwise segment cutting option. Click the default button, and the system automatically creates a single cut path, starting at point number 1, and traveling around the entire piece in a clockwise direction. To add a new cut path, click the Add button, then change the start and end points using the arrows. To delete a path, select it using the path arrow keys, and click the Delete button. By default, the start and end point arrows tap between grading points. To use a point of any type, tick on the Any Point is available to be a toolpath start option. By default, the system automatically configures the cut paths so that each segment is only cut once. If you wish for segments to be cut more than once, tick on the option to allow multiple cutting of contour segments. Depending on your cutting machine, you might need to define lift and plunge points along the cut path. Control and click to add or remove a lift and plunge point manually. Or use the Auto Lift and Plunge button to automatically set lift and plunge points at all corner points.